In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't turn off attention aware features. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if the toggle for attention aware features is completely grayed out, frozen, or immediately flips back on when you exit the menu, it means that there's a system level restriction or a biometric glitch. So what you want to do is turn off true depth restrictions in screen time. What we're going to do is open up our settings application, then scroll down until we find screen time, which is going to be towards the bottom. Then go over to content and privacy restrictions, which is going to be right there. And then scroll down to the allow changes section block and look for passcode changes. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll down like so. And then you're going to say allow changes to, and it's going to say passcode and face ID. So all you want to do is set it to allow. And if it's set to don't allow, obviously just change it to allow. And also just do the same for account changes or just accounts as well. And then what we want to go ahead and do is reset the face ID reset sequence. So obviously go back. I'm just going to go back right now. And then we're going to see face ID and passcode as one of the options. Just type in your passcode because it's going to look like this. And scroll down and turn off both require attention for face ID and then attention aware features as well. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.